Hey there, I'm Erica. I'm a member of Lexbe's product development team, and in prompt to production, we break down ways to streamline your workflows so you can better analyze your case and make document productions. Enjoy.
An additional use case for Lexbe CoPilot is for identifying the location of specific information in a document. In this instance, we have a 75-page deposition transcript, and we're requesting that the AI identify the page number and line number in page line format for any references made to drains in the floor. We've asked that the AI return both the question and the answer, along with obviously the page and line references that those can be found.